Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be making some Bicol Express. It's ethnic food, but it's very good. It's usually eaten with some rice. Some people eat a lot of rice with it. Some people eat a little bit, but you can also eat it by itself. Here's my version, and this is what it looks like. And I'll show you how it's made. It's still in the process of cooking right now. So, um, why why did this food never make it into the famous recipe books? I have no idea. But there's a lot of food from the Philippines that's actually really good. But anyways, right there is the garlic. Don't be shy. There's some chicken right here. We're gonna use half of this chicken, and then we got a red bell pepper, and we got half of a squash. We also got some string beans, and then some coconut milk. I can't forget the seafood pack. This is about $3.99. It's very cheap for what you get, and a lot of people are missing out because this seafood mix has got a lot of good seafood in it, and this is equivalent to like a $55 order at TGIF's. So, and you can get it for $4 at your local seafood market. Yeah. The first thing you want to do is get this seafood here, and you want to pour it onto the pan with garlic, and I'll get the garlic right now. This is the garlic. Put it in there with a little bit of oil. Okay, let me get some oil. Oh shit. This is some cubed chicken. We got some garlic up in here. We got the seafood, and then we got the red bell pepper, whatever you like, and then this string beans cut, and then the squash that I showed you earlier. This is it right here, cubed. You kind of want to make things uniform because it'll taste better that way, trust me. Okay. The last and probably the most important thing you want to add here is the chilies. See the chilies? Just put that on first if you like. And then add it with the garlic. Let that chill for a minute. You can put like 3 or 4 chilies because it won't be that hot for the fans. Good job, buddy. Okay. You don't really have to cook the garlic and the oil that good, but here's the seafood. I'm just gonna pour this in. What's wrong? What's wrong? I'm gonna pour everything in there. buddy. Don't cry. Try it out. Okay, anyways, I added the coconut milk and everything, and it's that simple. And don't forget your bay leaf, alright? I'm gonna put 2 because you're only really supposed to only put 1, but I'll put 3 just to get the flavor out there and relieve some stress. Yeah. Anyways, you guys, you know, that's what it looks like. Chicken, squash, string beans,